So I have just visited the Fort James. Nothing spectacular, just a couple of cannons overlooking the sea. I guess it was a strategic point in this island to protect from any pirates and external territories, as Antigua and Barbuda belong to the United Kingdom up until 1981, I believe, where it became independent. And now I'm running to the Runaway Beach, around 2.5 kilometers from James Fort Beach. There is this one that you have already seen the episode, and I thought to expedite my journey by running, as I can save like 15 minutes approximately. So I have been walking along the whole of James Fort Beach, and I thought that you can walk along the coast to Runaway Beach, but that is not the case. You can see James Fort Beach there, right next to the road. Very empty, and it's also quite a long beach, but not so wide. And the waves were like crazy, not so huge in size, but very strong beneath. And now the sun is back, so it's a partly cloudy day with sunshine here and there. I was lucky to catch some sunshine for the episode at James Fort Beach. And now I'm running to the next destination, to the Runaway Beach. Let's run along the beach a bit. Amazing. Hello. Beautiful. Antigua and Barbuda. New country unlocked for me. I can get used to this type of beaches, for sure. Beautiful. St. Fort James Beach. Lovely. The beach continues for 150 meters forward, approximately. And yeah, now it's time to go on the road and run to Runaway Beach. That is beautiful, beautiful beach indeed. I'm so blessed to be able to go on a Caribbean cruise. That was quite expensive, to be fair, but I made a big mistake. I have booked through a tour operator instead of directly with the cruise company. So with a tour operator from Sweden, they give you like the whole package with flights, the cruise, and also 2-night hotel in Miami. But when I calculated based on the Black Friday deals that they were on the Norwegian cruise line, I would have saved around $1,000 to book myself. But hey, now I know for the next time. Because now that there's a cruise that the whole vacation, I mean the whole package with the flight, 2 nights in Miami, and the cruise costed me around $3,000, and I could have gotten the same trip for 2,000. But yeah, I know now for next time. Cool. Now I'm on the road, and I see now the horses again. I guess this is a different tour. How interesting it is to ride a horse in Antigua. I'm wondering. Hope they take good care of their animals. Now I need to see where I should go actually. So yeah, we can go for horse riding in Antigua, it seems. Right, I think I found now a shortcut also. Among the cows. There are cows here, it seems. I didn't know there are cows in Antigua, but how would they get their milk otherwise? Now that was a silly thought of me. There should be cows everywhere. Because milk is one of the most important drinks. Alright, now let's continue the running along the coast to Runaway Beach. Let's go!